Hello, my name is Mary Kennedy and I'm Chair of Newbridge Women's Shed. We meet every Tuesday in the Town Hall. We have nearly 100 ladies involved in our club. We do lots of activities and we encourage all our ladies to engage with any skills they have that they'd like to share. We play ukulele, we do maths activity classes, we do a bit of yoga, we play a bit of bingo, line dance, lots of activity, flower arranging, from all sorts of crafts. And the most important thing is that we meet and include all our ladies and that they're comfortable and happy in our club.
My name is Jacqueline Barry O'Crowley. I'm the treasurer of Newbridge Women's Shed, and this cookery class initiated from Leaden through a grant application we made to KWETB, and they offered us a number of courses, and we chose the cookery course, and it has been a great success. The person that's doing the course with us is Derek, and we started out and he offered us great support. He offered different dishes every week, but what Derek has done with us is that he gets us to do a dish and we agree on it, and then he comes back to us and he sends us the recipe, and we look at it, we agree on it, and he lays out a recipe of a method, ingredients, and then all the nutritional values of it, and then the costing. And based on that, then we go out and we buy the ingredients. The following week, then we make those and we cook them. Each group cooks their own dish, and we sit, we taste it, and we evaluate it. And it has been hugely successful, not only from the point of view of learning a new skill. It was the friendship and the interaction and the atmosphere that was built up around the group. It was a huge success, and we really appreciated KWETB offering us this program, mainly because we don't have the monies or the funds to hire people to do these things for us. But not only were we offered this, it developed into something more that we never thought we'd be doing, and that's the cookery book. That when Derek said we'll do a cookery book, not only did he say we could cook, we couldn't cook either, but now we have the cooking skills, but also we have the techniques and the technology and the knowledge and various other things that will compile that cookery book for us, and we'll develop it and we'll publish it. And not only that, we have got funding from KWETB for that, and from the credit union, the Life Credit Union in Newbridge.
Hi, I'm Carmel Farrelly. I'm the Secretary of Newbridge Women's Shed, and I'm part of the cookery course that's on at the moment that has been put in place by Community Education in Kildare, and it's been a huge success for us all. We have ladies who are cooking and trying all sorts of new dishes, and I think a measure of its success is the fact that we've all agreed to be part of the Adult Learning Festival, which is coming up on the 3rd of March, and it'll be in the Resource Centre here in Newbridge, and we'll have command of what I hear is a wonderful kitchen there, and we're going to demonstrate some of the dishes that we've been doing here for the last few weeks. We've tried all sorts of things. One of the things that we were very proud of was making our own smoked salmon, I should say. And so we have a lot of new experience. We came in and we didn't gel as a group at first, but we've been divided into different groups. And so now I think we gained a lot of confidence from this, and we feel confident that we'll give a great demonstration on the Tuesday afternoon, and we hope everybody will come and enjoy it.